Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a vast expanse containing billions of stars and even more planets. While our search for extraterrestrial life often focuses on finding habitable worlds, there exists another class of planets equally captivating, the deadliest planets. But before we begin, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It helps the algorithm. These celestial bodies are where the very laws of nature seem to conspire against the existence of life as we know it. From the scorching surface of Venus to the irradiated wasteland of Proxima Centauri B, these planets offer a glimpse into the universe's terrifying extremes. Join me as we venture into these forbidding realms, where the very air we breathe could be our doom, and the ground beneath our feet could melt under the unimaginable heat. Prepare yourself, for the universe we are about to explore is as beautiful as it is deadly. Our first destination lies relatively close to home, within our very own solar system, Venus, Earth's sister planet. Shrouded in a thick, toxic atmosphere composed primarily of carbon dioxide, Venus is a planet trapped in a runaway greenhouse effect. The surface temperature here averages a staggering 467 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The air is heavy, nearly 90 times denser than Earth's atmosphere at sea level. The pressure is crushing, equivalent to being 900 meters beneath the ocean's surface on Earth. Venus is a world of volcanoes, with thousands of them dotting the surface. These volcanoes are constantly spewing lava and noxious gases into the atmosphere, further contributing to the planet's extreme heat and toxicity. Even if you could withstand the crushing pressure and searing heat, the air itself would kill you. Venus is a stark reminder that even within our own solar system, beauty can be deadly. Our next stop takes us to Proxima Centauri B, an exoplanet orbiting the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri. Proxima Centauri B is tidally locked, with one side always facing the star and the other in darkness. The star-facing side is scorching, while the dark side is frozen. Proxima Centauri's flares bathe the planet in deadly radiation. This radiation strips away any atmosphere, making survival impossible. Section 4, the gas giants, Ogul-TR-56b and Wasp-12b. Our journey now takes us to two gas giants, Ogul-TR-56b and Wasp-12b. These massive planets, located hundreds of light years away, showcase extreme conditions on hot Jupiters. Ogul-TR-56b has a surface temperature over 2,000 degrees Celsius. The heat vaporizes metals, creating a metallic vapor atmosphere. Wasp-12b takes extreme conditions to a new level. Its atmosphere is being ripped away, creating a comet-like tail. Temperatures on Wasp-12b reach 2,500 degrees Celsius. Ogul-TR-56b and Wasp-12b demonstrate the immense power of stars. Section 5, Kepler 70b, a glimpse into a star's heart. Our final destination takes us to Kepler 70b, a planet that pushes the very definition of extreme. This planet is thought to be the remnant core of a gas giant, stripped bare by its star after venturing too close. The surface temperature of Kepler 70b is estimated to be over 7,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of our own sun. The conditions on Kepler 70b are so extreme that it challenges our understanding of planetary science. Kepler 70b stands as a testament to the awe-inspiring and terrifying power of the cosmos, reminding us that even in the vastness of space, destruction and creation are forever intertwined. Our journey through the galaxy has taken us to some of the most extreme and hostile environments imaginable. From the scorching hellscape of Venus to the irradiated wasteland of Proxima Centauri B and the superheated surface of Kepler 70b. These planets serve as stark reminders of the vast range of conditions that exist in our universe. While these planets may be inhospitable to life as we know it, they offer invaluable insights into the formation and evolution of planetary systems. They challenge our understanding of the cosmos and drive us to explore further, to seek out new worlds and to unravel the mysteries of the universe. As we continue our exploration of the cosmos, we are certain to encounter even more extreme and awe-inspiring worlds, each with its own unique story to tell.